Hey guys, my name is Ashley and you are welcome at Ashley's Official. So in this video, we're gonna talk about how we can enable vibrate and sound in Instagram notification. So without wasting time, let's get started. First of all, open Play Store and search for Instagram notification. Then you will find igno Instagram notification application. Find and download it. After download complete, open the app and skip the notes. Now turn on accessibility service. Find igno free and give it on. Now you are good to go. Adjust setting as you want, like notification on and off, sound, vibrate, screen flash and LED blink. Now you are not going to miss any notification from Instagram. If you like this video, then like, subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you for watching.